ATCH stock analysis, price predictions, news. This quick and short 1-minute video, I'll show you exactly how I would trade and analyze. I'm the only guy in the stock trading space that has actually done 47,000 videos over 5 years and documented them all. And because I have the data, I've seen what's printing money for me and what's not. So ATCH, actually not that crazy of an idea. Like, it's just bearish market for me now. I mean, I'm not even just saying this in like a bad way or anything. It's just the truth. Like, there is far better setups, put it this way, compared to ATCH, that I would just take the same risk that I have here and put it towards that, right? Like, no need to just try and force trades or whatever. But in order for me to be bullish, bottom line, it must break above 80 cents. That's it. Like, I want to see a full candle close on the 1 to 2 hour chart above there, and it has shifted. And I can genuinely, I did think that it could happen, but right now it's really not there. So we'll keep you updated. And if you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. We'll see you in the next one.